Dub, Ricochet, E-Man, all y'all fans, come hop on the bandwagon. The best group that ever lived in hip-hop. We always got room for extra fans. Who's gonna be our #1 fan? Could it be you? We'll see. #1 fans like you is what we need for motivation. We need to move all over this nation, going on cruises and shit. I don't give a shit. Get on the bus and take a work trip around the world too. That's what we do. Get in my whip, dude. We gonna push the E. We gonna go 4B. You know what it is. We gonna go overseas. One day perform in Italy. Always go back to the Italian breed. You know what it is. Blazed up. All day is what we do. We're gonna come back to the US and perform a lot of shows too. All over the world, nationwide, is what we do. Forget a drive-by, we ain't talking about that shit. But if you really wanna get clipped and you really wanna get up in our face and in our business, we're gonna pull out the AK, let it spray straight out the window or the back seat of the Escalade. It's what we do when we bustin' off shot. Let the shit go when you get popped. Rock dig your nuts, cause I don't give a shit what you gotta say. Get your whole crew when they're gonna get laced up like I'm lacing your weed, your marijuana and stuff. I guarantee you when you smoke this shit, you're gonna pass out and choke. That's what's happening when Blazed Up come around your part of the town. We taking over, making your hardest cats look like clowns. That's how Blazed Up do. You wanna battle with us, take it to the streets with the beats, or take it in the studio with the fists and shit. I don't give a shit, get clipped. That's what we gonna do all day, every day. Blazed Up coming through your way, and when we come, you're gonna get sprayed. Blazed Up in this place to stay.
Up in the place to stay, fuck around with us, you might wind up in the side of the cut. Won't give a fuck, we put tucking pistols in our fucking side. We ready to ride, night riders on side. You wanna come fuck around with us, you get touched. I'll send somebody to your house to fuck your moms up. I don't care where you be at. Talking about you spit real, nigga, I spit. Nothing like fire, nigga, I'm aiming to kill with that fire coming on when I aim. I don't give a fuck, nigga, I bang, I slang, I do it for my team. You know what I'm about, it's like a domino effect. Put 99 shots in your back, in your chest. You wanna feel it, we gorillas with to check you. I don't care, I carry my weapon for protection. Nigga, I'm slinging out, nigga, no doubt. You shout, I smack you in your motherfucking mouth. You ain't hard, you can't spit, you can't come hard like us. We bad, so we coming, we're massive on your posse. Your crew is so soft, nigga, get up off me. You ain't ready for what I gotta say, homie, I spit this all day. Fire coming out on the wing. I'ma pass it like John Stockton in his prime. I'm all the time, mashing on you, you don't wanna do. Can't fuck with me or my crew. We too hard, nigga, guard your grill and knuckle up, chumps. I stomp on you faggot motherfuckers. You don't wanna do, homeboy, I smack you up. I'll put you in the side, nigga, get your touch. What you wanna spit about, nigga, you ain't bottom abilities. Try to come to my house, homie, I get you get good up. Niggas don't want to spit up, rhymes when I get it. Nigga, I ain't fucking around, homeboy, I'm about to spit it. Coming from the flame and the blaze and rage, I don't care, I'm like the range, the same, be same. Doing my thing, night you bliss.